If you want to create collections on your Shopify store, then this video is only for you. At first, you need to click here products. Here you can see some options: collections, inventory, purchase orders, transfers, gift cards. I want to create collection. Just create a collection, and here you can see that there are some collections I created in past. Just click here, create collection. Here you need to write a title, and you can write also a description. I want to write a title: sunglasses. Type, collection type, there are two types: manual and automated. You can use template, and you can also use collection image. I don't need this, just I need create a collection, then you can save here. Okay, collection added here. If I go back, you can see here new collection, collection 0. Okay, just click here, and you can also add here products. Just click sun glasses. You can see my product. There are 6 sunglasses in my store. Okay, select and add your collection product added. Okay, it's too much simple. If you want to delete your collection, just click this collection, and here you can see in the right side 3 dot. Just click here and delete collection. Your collection will be deleted. Okay, my collection deleted. If you need any type of help, then you can contact with me. I will help you anytime. Thanks for watching this video.